Have you ever paused to ponder how measles affects our body and how we could treat it naturally? Measles, a highly contagious viral disease, invades our bodies, often leaving us with a characteristic red rash and other discomforting symptoms. But what exactly causes it, and how does it spread? Knowing these facts is crucial, as it not only helps us recognize the disease, but also forms the foundation for its natural treatment. Understanding measles is the first step to combating this illness naturally. Did you know measles is more than just a red rash? It's a complex battle within your body. When the measles virus enters your body, it invades your cells, using them as hosts to replicate and spread throughout your system. This invasion triggers your immune response, causing symptoms like fever and the notorious red rash. Measles is indeed contagious, spreading through tiny droplets when an infected person coughs or sneezes. The battle against measles can deplete your body's reserves of certain nutrients, particularly vitamin A, which is crucial for a healthy immune response. The virus can also affect your body's ability to absorb nutrients from food, adding to the nutrient loss. The fight against measles is indeed a fight for nutrients. Ever thought of fighting measles with nutritional supplements? Well, you can. When measles strikes, our bodies often lack vital nutrients, particularly vitamin A and C. Vitamin A boosts the immune system and helps to repair damaged skin tissues, while vitamin C is essential for fighting off infections. Supplements like cod liver oil and citrus bioflavonoids can replenish these nutrients. A daily dosage of 2,000 international units of vitamin A and 500 milligrams of vitamin C can help. Supplements can aid in your recovery, but they aren't the whole story. Or what if your kitchen held the key to beating measles? Well, it just might. Foods like citrus fruits, bell peppers, and strawberries are rich in vitamin C, while nuts, seeds, and whole grains provide a good dose of vitamin E. Zinc can be found in abundance in beans, lentils, and shellfish. Aim to incorporate these foods into your daily meals to boost your immunity and aid recovery. Remember, moderation is key. So, strive for a balanced diet. Food is indeed the best medicine, isn't it? Wondering about the time it takes to recover from measles? Well, it's important to understand that recovery times can vary. Generally, when treated naturally, measles can take between 7 to 10 days to run its course. During this period, it's crucial to stick with the natural remedies and dietary changes we've discussed earlier. The journey to recovery isn't always a quick one. It requires patience and consistency. It's about nurturing your body back to health and not rushing the process. Alongside the natural treatments, ensure to get plenty of rest and stay hydrated. These simple steps can go a long way in aiding your body's fight against measles. Remember, every journey to recovery starts with a single step, so take that step today. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to Remedy Seeker for more health tips and remedies. See you in the next video.